is a limerick. Limericks are a great way to practice English pronunciation and the stress and rhythm in the English language. A circus performer named Brian once smiled as he rode on a lion. They came back from the ride, but with Brian inside and a smile on the face of the lion. So English is a stress-timed language. We stress particular words in a sentence, and this makes the rhythm of the language. So for example, with this limerick, the stressed words I've circled in red. A circus performer named Brian once smiled as he rode on a lion. They came back from the ride, but with Brian inside and a smile on the face of the lion. So you see, these words produce the rhythm. Let's have a look. Like here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See, that's the number of stress words. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this means the words in between are not stressed. They're the unstressed words. So we say them a lot faster. If there's only one word, no problem, we say it quickly. A circus performer named Brian. If there's two unstressed words together, like here and here and here, we push them together to make just one sound. So for example here, as he gets pushed together to say azzy. So azzy. On a, honor, which makes the sentence, once smiled as he rode on a lion. So azzy, honor. So here are the unstressed words pushed together to make one sound. Azzy, azzy. Honor, honor. They came, they came. From the, but with, under, on the, of the. Okay, so let's have a look one more time, putting it all together. The red words are the stress words, we say them clearly. The blue boxes, the words in between, we push them together and say them a little quicker. A circus performer named Brian once smiled as he rode on a lion. They came back from the ride, but with Brian inside and a smile on the face of the lion. Now it's your turn. See if you can say this limerick with a natural rhythm in English. By practicing saying this limerick, it will not only help your English pronunciation and develop those English muscles, it will also improve your English listening as you become used to the sounds of the words being pushed together. Keep practicing this English limerick to train your English muscles, and come back next week for a different limerick and some more training in Jill's English Gym. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for lots of inspiration and motivation. Thanks for watching.